Hi, it's me again, the preacher from the Philippines. And today is Sunday, so good morning to all of you, my dear viewers, subscribers. And if this is your first time watching my video, allow me to introduce to you myself. I am Pastor Roland Perez. I'm a preacher from the Philippines. I went to Bible College, took a Bachelor of Arts. I'm also a crusader, the Bibleist, teacher, missionary, evangelist, and I have more than 36 years of experience in preaching the words of God. So I'm sure all of you that I know what I'm talking about. Well, I got all your message. Rivers on the Moon, Converters, Jesus Saves at Citibank, Serno Preacher 94040. Let me tell you this.